Start of the ball game. Red team versus Joshua inbounds the ball. Passes the ball to the side of number 19. What the fake. Jumper, Louis, air ball. Number 1. Bosby passes to Louis. What an alley-oop pass. Pero wala. Fernandez clears the ball for Fernandez. For 3, wala. Rebound to Bosby. Bosby sizes up, number 19. Josh passes to Louis, pero wala. Number 8. Drop pass to number 19. Takes the jumper, no good. For Louis with the rebound. Joshua with the clear. What a step back by Punzalan. It's the jumper. First points for the ball game for the red team. Fernandez looks for a teammate. Pinasa kay number 19. Pinasa ulit kay Fernandez. Takes the jumper, no good. Rebound by Bosby. Bosby. Ayan ang kanyang drives. Blocked by number 8. Number 8 clears the ball for the PMO. What a drop pass, number 1. No good. Rebound by Bosby. Bosby, pinasa ni Josh. Josh. Nagda-drive. Teardrop. What a shot by Punzalan. Fernandez for 3. No good. Rebound by number 19. Number 19, pinasa kay Kuya Louis. Kuya Louis, pinasa kay Josh. For 3. Wala. PMO ball. Passes to number 1. Number 1, jump shot, wala. Uy, naagaw. What a block by Boss B. Black ball. 7 minutes and 40 seconds into the ball game. Red team is up by 2 points. Fernandez, hop step, no good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1 doesn't make it. Rebound niya ulit. Turnover. Joshua passes to Louis. Louis passes to Joshua, passes to Boss B. Boss B sizes up number 1. Looks to make a play for the red team. Passes to Louis. Wala. Number 1 clears the ball. What a move! Wala. Foul number 3, red team. PMO ball. Substitution for the red team. Number 8 passes to number 1. Number 1 takes the jumper. No good. Rebound by Punzalan. Punzalan dribbles the ball. No good. Free throw. First free throw for Punzalan. Makes it. Parang may Punzalan lang ata lahat na puntos dito sa lahat. Looks to make his last free throw. Makes it. PMO clears the ball. Fernandez passes to number 19. Blocked by Cantor. Good ball yan, good ball yan. Punzalan sizes up number 8, looks to make a move. Drives. Foul again on number 19. 6 minutes. Punzalan doesn't make the first free throw, but looks to make the last free throw. And he doesn't. Red team is still up by 4 points. Number 19, Kendra. Wala. Number 1, foul by Mr. Balagtas. Grabe, mahabang laro ito. Maraming foul. Number 1 looks to make his 2 free throws. Does not make his free throws. PMO wala pang score sa scoreboard. Makes his last free throw. PMO is down by 3 points. Punzalan with a drive again. Wala. Rebound to number 8. Number 1 for 3. No good. Labas. Kahit any ball, labas. Boss B takes the 3. No good. PMO ball. Number 8 dribbles the ball. Shot clock for 3. No good. Rebound number 1. Number 1 jumper. No good. Boss B with the rebound. Clears the ball for the red team. Makes a move. Number 19 stops him. Drives. Bank is open on a Sunday. 5 minutes and 10 seconds left in the ball game. What a block by Balagtas. Josh. What a block by Fernandez. Fernandez clears the ball for the PMO. Josh does not clears the ball. That's the Boss B. Boss B makes his move. Fade away. Good. Red team is up by 5 points, 6-1. What a layup by number 1. Josh here's the ball to Balagtas. Makes a layup, number 1. For 3, Bang. 3 points na lang, lamang ng Red. Balagtas for 3, wala. Rebound number 8, 4-point ulit, number 1. Wala. Boss B with the rebound, does not clear the ball. Clear muna. PMO ball. So, solution. Red team is still up by 3 points, 7-4. Fernandez makes the move, passes to number 1. Steal the good team. Steal number 1. Steal ulit ni Kuya Ching. Kuya Ching. Teardrop. Bang is open again. Kalahati rin naman ng Red team to the 4. Fernandez crossover. Nice. Shot clock violation. Time out for PMO. Red team is up by 4 points. 8-4. Favorite ball for Red team. Back to the ball game. Kuya Ching drives the ball. Nice defense by PMO. Rebound number 19. Number 19 drives the ball. Walang mapasukan. Teardrop. Nice shot. Boss B clears the ball to Punzalan. Passes to Kuya Ching for 3. Bang. 4-point lead. 3-point lead na lang. Correct. Both lead clears the ball. Sizes up number 19. Passes to Kuya Ching. Kuya Ching takes the 3 points. Again, wala. Rebound na number 1. Drives. What a move! Rebound. Punzalan clears the ball. Nice pass. Lead is down to 2 points. 10 to win. Pwede naghanap na kami Boss B. Punzalan. Good ball. PMO. Locks tie the ball. Takes the 3. No good. Boss B with the rebound. Last 2 minutes. Foul number 19. 2 free throws for Boss B. Does not make his first free throw. English yung commentator. Kaya nga. English pa si Idol. Kaya mo si Meggy. Sige, Meggy, ayaw mo siya. Laro ka naman sila. Shooting lang. Sige, Meggy, makilaro ka dyan. Yung one. Malaki si Meggy. Kayang biyak. Picture sige. Oo, pang mali yung mga.
Fernando bata ka man. Parang Metro League lang.
Mas sure to.
Hindi Metro League.
Number 1.
Sa Metro Gate.
Looks
Biyak,
like
biyak.
it's 2 free throws.
Damot ang doon.
To tie the ball game at 10.
Ito naman.
But was not focus first. Number 1 looks to make his last free throw.
Masarap gawin yung
And does not. Boss Lee with the rebound. Here's the ball for the red team.
Check.
Sino-sino ko nakuha.
What a steal by number 1.
Ulitan.
Uli. Hey, counter!
Edward.
Edward.
Score is 10 to 9. If he makes 2 free throws, the PMO is now up by 2 points. If he only makes 1, he ties the ball game at 10. He ties the ball game at 10. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Naman namin yung kilala.
And the ball game again. Does not make the last free throw. Rebound to Richie. Richie, got it. Takes the 3. Wala. Rebound to number 1. And he clears the ball. 6 seconds on clock. 3.
Jump.
Fernandez takes the jumper.
Hey!
Lamang isa, PMO. Magadia clears the ball. Sizes up number 8. Passes to Ching. What a pass! Rebound to Fernandez, number 1. 45 seconds left. Number 1, wala. Magadia. Clear yung bola. Di pa clear. Kanino bola rin?
Baka pag umunin yun.
Same ball.
Pasang-pasa talaga ito.
Isa. Punzala wants to make a play for the red team. Drives, what a move!
Hey!
Nice move! 11. All yung ball game ngayon. Fernandez asks for a screen. Nawala yung dribble.
Hey!
Maganda ka! Black ball. Shot clock 5 seconds. The game is tied at 11. Rebound number 19. PMO is up by 1. 13 seconds left in the ball game. Number 8, Castiña. Foul, you put it in. Outside. My bad. No shot clock, 8 seconds left in the ball game. PMO is up by 1. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. PMO wins the game! Grabe kung sa Miracle Team, dalawang panalo na. Grabe yun. Grabe mga game natin. Grabe, napakatulog.
Nash, oh. Bandipi mo, Nash. Bandipi mo. Sisura na natin din mo.
Next up. Green versus Violet.
Hey!